Hey there, it's Simon here. How are you? We are going to learn Handled with Care by the Traveling Wilburys today. We're going to handle all the rhythm parts today. And if you want the solo parts, they're going to be over at Patreon. Right, so this is the main riff. Let's learn how that goes. You've got D. Now, the picking bit is the trick here. If you go down, down, up, up, that's how it works. And then down, down, up, up. And then G over B. And then you hit a big G. And then you walk up A, B, C, back into the D. So it's like circular kind of thing, right? So we've got D, C, G over B, G major, D. Okay, there's that bit. Right, now, there's two different types of verses. The first time you go through the verse, it finishes like this. All right? The second time it finishes slightly different, but let's handle the first one first, right? So we've got C, a whole bar, and then G, and then E minor. And that's on the and, so you get this 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and then you're going to play C, 1 and 2 and D, and then all the way up G major, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Now, it's very important that on the 4 you have a rest because the drums go pow, and it's really, really cool sound, right? All right, so that's the whole of the first verse. You get this riff twice. And then you get C. Pow. Right. Then it comes around again and you play that intro riff again. And then you play again a whole bar of C. And then half a bar of G. And then a whole bar of C. Then a whole bar of D. And we go to the next section, which is G, augmented, C major, D. Now, I've played them here because they sound nice. Right? You don't have to play them like you can play G here, and then like you need to add a D sharp in that G to make it a G augmented chord, then C, then D. You could do that too. I like this. Right? And then we're going to play a G. And then a G7. Or a G here. G7. Right? And then you get into the Tom Petty bit. That was the Roy Orbison bit, I guess. And then, now here we're just going to play 5 chords, right? 1. But the trick is to make sure they move. You know? Pow, 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 C. Right? So, trying to make them move like that is key. I'm using a bit of palm muting as well, so how you do that is you just can see, I'm going to just put my palm back over the side of the guitar here, so you have 1 back to C, back to D. Now there's like 8,000 guitars on this song, and on one of the guitars he walks up, from A to D, just in time to hit the D riff that we had at the very beginning of the song. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1. See? And you go back to it that way. All right, Now that is pretty much all the bits that you need to be able to play this song. I hope that has helped you. I will see you next time for another lesson. If you want to grab all the slide parts, go over to Patreon. See you later. Bye for now.